facing our demons down an empty road. Been watching a castle turning into dust, escaping our shadows just to end up here once more. And we both know this is not the world we had in mind. But we got time, we are stuck on answers we can't find. But we got time, and even though we might have lost tonight, the skyline reminds us of a different time. This is not the world we had in mind. But we got time. Broken smile, tired eyes, I can feel your longing heart. Call my name, howling from afar. We've been fighting our demons just to stay afloat. Been building a castle just to watch it fall. Been running forever just to end up here once more. And now we know this is not the world we had in mind. But we got time, we are stuck on answers we can't find. But we got time, and even though we might have lost tonight, the skyline reminds us of a different time. This is not the world we had in mind. But we got time.
I am here to speak for all generations to come. I am fighting for my future. I am afraid to breathe the air because I don't know what chemicals are in it. And now we hear of animals and plants going extinct every day, vanishing forever. All this is happening before our eyes, and yet we act as if we have all the time we want and all the solutions. If you don't know how to fix it, please stop breaking it. Thank you.